Imagine wandering through a forest of gleaming skyscrapers, then stepping into a tranquil, centuries-old shrine, all while savoring tantalizing sushi from a bustling street market. Yes, we're talking about Tokyo, Japan, a city that harmoniously blends the ultra-modern with the deeply traditional. But what if we told you that you could soak up all of Tokyo's wonders without breaking the bank? Welcome to our guide on how to experience Tokyo on a shoestring budget. Fasten your seatbelts and prepare for a journey that proves that the city of neon lights and serene cherry blossoms doesn't have to empty your wallet. Tip number 1. Embrace public transportation. Tokyo's subway and bus systems are not only efficient and punctual, but also incredibly economical. Purchase a Pasmo or Suica card for hassle-free, cost-effective travel around the city. Secondly, dine like a local. Forget expensive restaurants and embrace Tokyo's street food culture. From mouth-watering takoyaki to delectable yakitori, your taste buds and wallet will thank you. Next, consider staying in a capsule hotel or a budget-friendly guest house. These unique and affordable accommodations will give you a taste of Tokyo's innovative spirit while saving your precious yen. Fourthly, immerse yourself in Tokyo's rich culture without spending a fortune. Many shrines, temples, and even some museums in Tokyo offer free admission. Plus, exploring the city's vibrant neighborhoods and parks doesn't cost a dime. Lastly, plan your trip during off-peak seasons. Avoid the cherry blossom and autumn color peak times to secure lower prices on flights and accommodations. So, what have we learned today? First, public transportation is your best friend in Tokyo, providing an economical way to zip around the city. Second, street food is an affordable and delicious dining option. Third, consider unique and budget-friendly accommodations like capsule hotels or guest houses. Fourth, many of Tokyo's cultural sites are free to explore. Finally, travel during off-peak seasons for the best deals on flights and accommodations. Tokyo, a city of contrasts, where the ancient and the futuristic exist side by side, doesn't have to be a dream destination. With these practical tips and tricks, Tokyo's unique experiences can be yours to explore, even on a tight budget. So pack your bags and prepare for an unforgettable journey to the heart of Japan.